Engine rumors of the 2019 Honda Accord. The Honda is known to employ engines that are extremely efficient. With the 2019 Honda Accord, you get a two-engine hybrid structure that runs electrically on lower speeds under normal conditions and isn't afraid to bring about an electric torque to support the engine. Are you ready to hear about the mind-blowing mileage that this amazing engine gives you? Well, you will fly at a whopping 49 miles per gallon in the city, 47 on the highway and combined 48 miles per gallon. Are you as excited as we are? Release date, expected price and final thoughts. The release date of the new 2019 Honda Accord is expected sometime in the 2018. As for the price, according to some rumors, it will be around $30,000.